beautiful county teens, it's Miss Amelia at the Columbus Library, and today I have a craft demo to show you with your take and make kits from this week. Today we're going to be making the mason jar sun catchers, and they're super pretty. This is mine, and I'll show you how to make that in just a minute. But before we do that, I want to remind you that tomorrow night at 5 o'clock, we are playing pop culture trivia on Facebook Live. So tune into our Facebook page and grab a couple of friends. You can either text or Zoom call each other, but join up as a team and play to win a $20 gift card to a restaurant of your choice. So, all right, let's go over what is in your take and make bag. These bags are free to pick up at the Columbus and Saluda libraries this week. Inside you have a mason jar ring that looks like this. You have a cotton ball. You have a container that has baby oil inside of it. You have some instructions. And you have some mandalas to color. And you have 2 pieces of ribbon. One ribbon is longer because it's going to be the outside to decorate the outside of your ring. And then the shorter ribbon is going to be used as your hanger, okay? All right, well, to get started, the very first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna use one of our mandalas. I put 2 in your packs. That way, if you decide that you would rather have a mandala that's colored differently, you can do 2 of them and pick which one you like the best at the end. And I'm just gonna color a little bit of this one so you can see what it looks like when the baby oil is added to it. And let's see, my example mandala is filled with warm colors. So I'm going to make this one filled with cooler colors of purples and blues. Those are my favorite anyway. Okay. Put some more color on here. And your mandala circle is already the same size as your mason jar ring. So when you cut it out, you're just going to cut out the circle shape. Thank you. All right. So we're going to cut this out all the way around. So materials that you're going to need at home for this are obviously a pair of scissors because you're going to be cutting this out. You're going to need some Elmer's glue. And the glue that I have today is Elmer's glue, but it is clear. But you can use the white Elmer's glue because it dries clear. Or you can use hot glue. All of those work. All right, so I've got my mandala colored, at least part of it. Now, to make it see-through so the sun will shine all the way through your design, I'm going to put the cotton ball in the baby oil, and it's not going to mess up your design with your colored pencils. You may want to put a tablecloth down, but if not, that's okay. So you're going to cover the whole thing. So now it has like a translucent feel to it. Okay, you're going to let it dry completely, and while it's drying, you can go ahead and put the decorative ribbon on the outside of your mason jar ring. So my decorative ribbon is green, so I'm just going to put a dot of glue on one corner to hold it down, and a dot of glue on top. That way when I wrap my ribbon around, it will stick there. And I'm going to hold it in place. You can also let this dry, but you may want to hold it just so it sticks together. There we go. Okay, so I've got the green all the way around the outside. There we go. Okay, so there's that. And then the hanger I'm going to put on very last because I need to lay my mason jar lid face up like this to get the hanger to dry correctly. So I'm going to add a couple of drops of glue on the inside of the ring, and that's where I'm going to put my mandala that I just colored. and it fits perfectly inside. So you can kind of see what it's going to look like. And then last but not least, we're going to add the hanger. So to make the hanger, you just loop the ribbon over, add a drop of glue to hold it. Okay, you want to pinch it for a couple of seconds so that it stays secure. There we go. And put some glue on the lid, or on the ring there. Okay. I'm gonna hold this for a little bit after we cut the video so it'll stay in place and dry faster. But when you're finished, you can hang this up in the window and it'll let a beautiful color come through with the sunlight.